There are two common errors in the data input and output of a MATLAB function. Some people would like to use the input function to get the input data. This is not correct because this will create a second data entry. And also it will overwrite what is passed through the input variable list. And typically the error looks like this. There will be a statement like v equals input, please enter the vector v. Okay. So this is wrong. Next is to use the fprintf to output the data in the command window. Typically, you will see that instead of using the assignment, you will use something like fprintf. All right, so this is also not correct. We're not supposed to use it. In the function, if the input vector is empty, what we do is to output the max value and min value as the empty vector. What if you want to also output the error message? You will attempt to use the fprintf. This is not correct. The way to do it is to add the third output data here. So what we're going to do is say error msg, and we will add this new variable in the variable list. It says error message if error occurs. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We will move to the section where no error is generated. We'll say error error message is an empty string. And here we will add that we will add the error message that the vector is empty. And then we can save it. All right. Now, we'll go back to check how it works. And if we do this, if we choose the way that we did before, and we hit enter, still we get the two empty vector. However, we didn't see the error message. This is because we didn't use the variable to receive the error message. Now we're going to add the third output variable here to see if we can receive the message. I just use ERR at the variable name. Then I hit enter. Here you can see the error message is output in the variable ERR. And now let's look at the case where the vector is not empty. Here we can still use the x vector here. And if I hit enter, you will see that the max and minimum values, they all have the valid values, and the error will be an empty string. Or here it says it's an empty character array.